Yo, what's going on, guys? How you guys doing today? Hopefully well. In today's video, we will be hunting. It's gun season right now, and it's currently 27 degrees outside. It's pretty dang chilly. As you can see, the ground is frosted behind me. I am getting a little bit of a late start this morning, but it's okay because I have all day to sit. So hopefully it will go well. It's cold outside, so the deer should be up and moving today. I just hope I don't spook any or bump any whenever I'm going to my tree stand. But I'm going to try to be very careful. But yeah, guys, great day to hunt. Not raining outside, so that's great. Which I guess it'd probably be snowing if it was doing anything. But yeah, guys, it is the second week of gun season. I went last weekend, did not see anything, but should be full on rut right now. So we should be seeing something today for sure, whether it's a doe or a buck or I don't know what, but we should see something. And yeah, guys, I'll catch you guys when I get into the tree stand. All right, guys, so we're in the stand now. I had to walk more than I wanted to because there was a tree down in the road, so hopefully that didn't get my scent everywhere, but I guess we'll see. I did bump a deer when I got here. It was like right under the tree stand, and couldn't really do anything about it. I didn't see it, or I would have waited before coming any further, but I just saw us running away. I couldn't tell if it was a doe or a buck. Probably a doe, if I had to guess, by the size of the body. But we're in the stand now. And like I said, I did get out here a little late, so I'm going to have to quiet down. And we're just going to hope for the best. Got the camera here. Got the tripod. My Remington 700. So, I've never hunted with this gun, so it's definitely going to be different today, but hopefully we have some luck. Weather is pretty good today. The wind is blowing in towards me, so that's good, but I mean, I don't really have to worry too much about that because I'm in this big hunting house that we built. So I'm gonna start to get a little more quiet now, and I'll update you guys if we see anything. So yeah, let's get into it. It's very windy, and the wind is coming in on my window, and it's freezing. Still no action. It's been about an hour and a half, about an hour and 45 minutes. No action. I did hear something probably about 20 minutes ago behind me walking, but it never came out. I don't know what it was. So I'll update you guys if we see anything. The wind is really cold. We'll see how it goes.
Aside from my soul, now there goes a sight from my soul.
as you seen, we just saw our first buck. We also saw a doe. That doe came like 10 minutes before that buck, and I don't know if I got it on camera or not because I was a little shaky because I was trying to see the doe also while I was recording. But the doe just looked like it disappeared. I don't know what happened to it. Like in the video, it kind of looks like it bedded down right there. But that buck came running right through that path that doe was. And I thought the doe was bedded down right there, but it never moved. If it is, never moved when that buck came out. And that buck has been circling the field. I got it twice on record. I believe it's a 6-point, small, definitely not a shooter, but not a terrible buck. Maybe a year or two, that'd be a nice buck. But that definitely shows that it's rut because he was chasing. He was looking all around this field. And that's the first action I got today. It's right now 12:20. That was probably about 5 minutes ago. So I'm glad I did stay after 12. But I think I'll stay till about 1. See if we get any more action. Because that definitely wasn't a shooter, but there are definitely a few shooters on the hill right now. I just hope I can get one out, but if not today, it's alright. We still got action today, so that's all that matters to me. But I have a lot more hope now that I did see that 6-point. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys if I get any more action or if anything else happens. So alright guys, so that buck was actually a different buck, and I think those two bucks have been together for a while because I seen on my trail camera pictures, there's 2 bucks that look pretty similar, and they're always together. And if I find those, I'll put them in the video right here. But I couldn't tell if I wanted to shoot that deer or not, but I passed on it for now. Only because I'm pretty sure I have seen that on trail camera pictures all year. So hopefully it sticks around. I know there's better bucks on my granny's property than that, so I know that I can kill a better one, and I would love for that one to grow. So I didn't shoot today, but if it comes down to it and I've not killed another deer at the end of season, I might try to get that deer, because I didn't realize it until I watched back on the video on my camera. But that was pretty decent deer. I would have had a perfect shot on it if I did want to shoot it, but I didn't, so no regrets. I'm wanting to try to wrap this up, but those 2 deer keep circling the field, which right now they're not, but I don't want to go out and then spook them, because I am coming back in the morning and would like to see them again tomorrow. But they definitely, I grunted a few times. I saw that one across the field. I thought it was the same one at first, and then I grunted a couple times and it came in pretty fast. So it's definitely a good time of the year right now. So, but this is just my second day hunting. I still have plenty of time if I do want to kill one of those. Just hopefully, like, neighbor properties don't kill it or something. So, hope for a bigger one. If not, I'll end up killing that one, maybe, hopefully. We'll just have to see how it goes. But I'm going to try to wrap this up and get my stuff ready and quietly walk back to my side-by-side. And, yeah. If I don't end the video here, I'll see you when I get back down to the house. Or if something else happens. Alright guys, so I'm back at the house now, and I have reviewed the video multiple times, and I think I'm okay that I didn't shoot that deer. It is a pretty nice buck. It's a 7-point, but it is smaller than the deer I killed last year, so I still don't know if I want to go smaller or not. If it comes down to it, I will. But I'm thinking there's bigger deer on my hill. Plus, if not, then I can go to my granny's property and hunt, and there is a couple really good deer on that property. So, which it's in probably a better location for deer, honestly. But I had a ton of fun this video. I know I didn't kill a deer, so I'm sorry about that, guys. But I had to get some content out because I've not posted a video in 5 months. I'm very sorry about that. Had some stuff going on in my life, so I've not been posting, but now I am, and I'll be back every weekend. This coming week I'll be on Thanksgiving break, so I can post as much as I want to. We'll be hunting in the morning, so if I have any luck tomorrow, then I might post again. We'll see how it goes, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I broke 100 subscribers, and I don't know how I did it, because I honestly didn't expect that to happen so soon, or if any time, because I've just been posting these videos like for myself, honestly, and like just it's awesome that you guys are watching these videos, and I'm so happy for that. And I know my fishing videos get more views than my hunting videos, so I'll have to work on my hunting videos, I guess. But yeah, guys, I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, and hopefully one day I can I don't know, do something for y'all, but we'll see. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.